Loro get stuck. Sop swim bad. He could help Loro, but Loro was not keen. Loro was mean. Sop I swam to see Pogita the octopus. Loro is stuck in a net. We have to help him. Pogita moved his big head. I go what to do. He replied. Pogita and Sop swam to Loro. I will save you. Pogita said, I have 8 long legs. What can't pull on the ropes of the net? Pogita took his long legs and pulled. He pulled on the ropes. Oh no, his long legs were tied up in a knot. Ano naman to? Just then, Gabi, the sea bird, flies by. I will save you, Gabi said. I have a big, sharp beak. I will beak at the ropes. Gabi beaked the ropes. He picked and picked, but the ropes did not beak.
Okay.
Sop swam to find more help. His sport. Ano to? Bia.
Spot Bia.
The goby fish. Bia was stuck to a stone. He was
eating.
Sop swam to him. He
Asked Bia
to help him free Loro. Bia stopped
eating.
He
Spoke very slowly.
I have a big mouth that can't talk. See most. I will talk on the ropes and
Grab it.
Up. Bia
Suck on the rope. He sucked and sucked, but the rope did not break.
Just then, Tambakol, the
Mga isda
tuna
yan mga isda.
swam. He saw Loro stuck in the net. I will save you, Tambakol said. I have a hard fin. I will hit the ropes. Tambakol
Hit the ropes.
He hit,
and
hit,
hit. But the ropes
did not beat.
break.
Then
They
when
were
all sad,
They could
not help free Loro. Loro had
no hope.
hope,
How would he survive? Yay! We finished already the story of Tambakol. Another story. The tugboat stopped. Loro was scared. He pulled and he pulled the rope, but he was still stuck. Yay! Another story that Kate Darian finished.
Oh, go pa.
Oh, another story.
Two divers
Diver,
were into the water, then swam
around.
They looking here
And there.
They took
They suck
are ano to?
through
Through
their
their
field.
Sap swam back to Loro. Loro yelled to Sap, why?